Dear learners, welcome to today's session. Today, we'll discuss an important topic 5ES Instructional Model of Constructivist Approach. Please watch the entire video carefully and take notes on the key points. At the end of the session, you'll find multiple choice questions to help reinforce and assess your understanding of the topic. Let us try to explore 5ES Instructional Model. The 5ES instructional model is a constructivist approach to teaching that emphasizes active, student centered learning. It was originally developed by the Biological Sciences Curriculum Study (BSCS) and is widely used in education, particularly in science and technology classrooms. The model organizes the learning process into 5 phases: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Each phase builds upon the previous one, helping learners construct new knowledge based on their existing understanding. The 5ES model offers a systematic way to design instruction that mirrors how students naturally learn through curiosity, discovery, explanation, application, and reflection. Step 1: Engage. Objective: to spark learners' interest and connect the new topic to prior knowledge. Activities: asking thought provoking questions, showing an intriguing video, presenting a surprising fact, or posing a real world problem. Role of technology: interactive simulations, virtual field trips, and multimedia presentations can be used to stimulate curiosity. Example: showing a short, exciting video about renewable energy sources before starting a unit on sustainable development. 2. Explore. Objective: to allow students to investigate and actively participate in hands on activities. Activities: experiments, problem solving tasks, collaborative group work, or virtual labs. Role of technology: using educational apps, simulations, online experiments, or web based research tools to explore concepts. Example: students use an online simulation to see how changing variables affects plant growth. 3. Explain. Objective: to encourage students to articulate their understanding and for teachers to provide formal definitions and explanations. Activities: group discussions, presentations, teacher clarifications, or use of educational software for demonstrations. Role of technology: digital whiteboards, online discussions, animations, and explanatory videos can support explanation. Example: after experimenting with forces, the teacher uses an animation to explain Newton's laws. 4. Elaborate. Objective: to extend students' knowledge by applying it to new situations and making deeper connections. Activities: solving more complex problems, conducting independent projects, or applying concepts across different contexts. Role of technology: web quests, project based learning platforms, coding programs, and simulations help students apply what they have learned. Example: students create a digital project on how renewable energy can be implemented in their local community. 5. Evaluate. Objective: to assess students' understanding and skills, both formally and informally. Activities: quizzes, presentations, peer assessments, portfolios, or teacher observations. Role of technology: online quizzes, digital portfolios, e-assessments, and feedback tools can streamline and enhance evaluation. Example: students submit a multimedia presentation and take an online quiz to demonstrate their understanding of renewable energy concepts. Summary table of 5 ES. Phase. Purpose. Example. Technology use. Engage. Create interest. Short video, questions. Multimedia tools. Explore. Active learning. Virtual labs, experiments. Simulations, apps. Explain. Clarify and discuss. Discussions, concept maps. Animations, e-whiteboards. Elaborate. Depend knowledge. Projects, case studies. Web quests, coding. Evaluate. Assess learning. Quizzes, presentations. Online assessments. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. The Engage phase primarily focuses on A. Testing prior knowledge. B. Providing final assessments. C. Memorizing facts. D. Delivering a lecture. Answer A. Testing prior knowledge. 2. During which stage do students explore new concepts through hands-on activities? A. Evaluate. B. Engage. C. Explore. D. Elaborate. Answer C. Explore. 3. In the Explain phase, students are encouraged to A. Memorize information. B. Clarify their understanding. C. Sit passively. D. Ignore mistakes. Answer B. Clarify their understanding. 4. Which stage encourages students to apply learned concepts to new situations? A. Engage. B. Elaborate. C. Explore. D. Explain. Answer B. Elaborate. 5. The 5ES instructional model is based on which educational philosophy? A. Behaviorism. B. Cognitivism. C. Constructivism. D. Essentialism. Answer C. Constructivism. 6. During the Explore phase, the role of the teacher is to A. Provide direct answers. B. Facilitate inquiry. C. Ignore students' questions. D. Deliver a lecture. Answer B. Facilitate inquiry. 7. Which of the following is not a correct phase of the 5ES model? A. Engage. B. Explain. C. Enrich. D. Explore. Answer C. Enrich. 8. Assessment primarily occurs during which phase? A. Evaluate. B. Explore. C. Engage. D. Elaborate. Answer A. Evaluate. 9. In the elaborate phase, students are expected to A. Practice rote memorization. B. Apply concepts to new contexts. C. Memorize the textbook. D. Ignore feedback. Answer B. Apply concepts to new contexts. 10. Which phase often involves identifying students' misconceptions? A. Engage. B. Explore. C. Explain. D. Elaborate. Answer A. Engage. 11. Which phase allows students to construct meaning from their experiences? A. Explain. B. Explore. C. Evaluate. D. Engage. Answer B. Explore. 12. In the evaluate phase, teachers should focus on A. Assigning grades only. B. Gathering evidence of learning. C. Punishing wrong answers. D. Encouraging rote learning. Answer B. Gathering evidence of learning. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.